Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you demonstration about Apple Watch Series 6 unboxing, and today I received this Apple Watch Series 6 in 8 o'clock in Germany time, and this Apple Watch Series has a price in Indian currency is a 28,000 INR in Indian currency, as Euro currency is a 350 euro in Apple Watch series in 44 So let's start as a demonstration in unboxing Apple Watch Series 6. सबसे पहले unboxing करेंगे हम. Let's start unboxing in Apple Watch I Series 6. So let's start as a demonstration. What exact in this particular box? So firstly open. First time buy this Apple Watch, and this is a special edition. On only second day I purchased on the Apple Watch Series 6. So what exactly in inside the box? This is iWatch Series 6. This is open. So now I open the design by California. So here what exactly happened? Oh, it's perfect. This is Apple Watch Series 6. It's typical packing. It's only. So let's start on this one. Yeah, this is on iWatch 6 series. iWatch 6. So what exactly inside some box? As usual, typical manual. And this extra belt, this strap, extra strap. Second one, very charger. Exactly. You can add your iWatch. So now, hey Shri. So now I join. So it's typical iWatch 6. It's simple, not some special actually. I visit many times in iStores and look at this different iWatches also, but I receive only single straps only. This one is extra here. So like this, I can use these straps after using this one, because of this one is small. So accordingly I will use and I will modify using this one, but it's amazing. I'm using first time. I'm recording this video using my iPhone, so that's why I'm not connect and not use properly, but it's very simple. You can use this your Apple or iPhone charger using the strips, or MacBook also, MacBook Air, not Pro, the strips only for the charging purpose. And nice. This is unboxing of iWatch Series 6. It's very simple. So hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and let me know what exactly you feel for this particular unboxing you. Not a big rocket science in Apple Watch series. Only iWatch is a different new model and some accessories. It's very simple. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. Don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.